Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I created these easy slouchy hats. These hats are going to be oversized, so I measure out how big I want the crown of the hat to be. I went for about 12 to 13 inches and I cut 2 layers in a half oval, and then I go ahead and pin those seams together and sew up the side seams. I do serge the edges on all my seams to make a clean finish. And for the band of the hat, I go ahead and measure my head, and I cut a strip of fabric to that size. And I also sew up the seam to create a loop. And I then go ahead and attach one end to the crown of the hat. And then I go ahead and fold that loop in half and attach it to the same seam. And then you have a quick and easy slouchy hat or beanie. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you next video. Bye!